Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you live in Wisconsin, loves nature or birds, and currently looking for a bird CD which focuses on wild birds and all about birds? If you love nature or have Birds of Wisconsin field guide, then the Birds Wisconsin audio CD will be the perfect partner for you. Now you can learn to identify the birds in Wisconsin by sound. This audio CD is prepared by Stan Tequila and the perfect companion to Birds of Wisconsin Field Guide. This CD is a set of two audio CDs, offers the highest quality digital recording featuring approximately 120 minutes of bird calls. This item is a must-have for any bird lover, whether young or old. This item is ideal for nature enthusiasts or bird lovers. Now you can easily learn how to identify the birds in Wisconsin by sound. The long wait is over. You can have the Birds Wisconsin audio CD today at a very affordable price. And see to it that you have a very informative CD about birds. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.